Hey everyone, today we'll show you how to upload a theme to your Shopify store. Uploading a theme lets us customize our store's design and give it a unique look that matches our brand. Let's walk through it step by step. On the Shopify dashboard, click Online Store on the left side. This section is where we manage our themes. We can upload, export, and download themes here. To upload a theme, click Import Theme, and then upload a zip file. Make sure your theme is saved as a zip file. We already have a sample zip file ready to go. Now click Upload Zip File, then Add File, and select the theme you want to upload. Click Upload File and wait for it to finish uploading. Keep in mind that the maximum file size for upload is 50 MB. Once it's done, the theme will appear here. As you can see, our sample theme has been successfully added. And that's how we upload a theme to a Shopify store. With the new theme in place, we can start customizing our store and create a better shopping experience.